What is up? Manny Mobile Manny. Put your own spin on it, because at the end of the day, it's the same thing that me. And for today's video, we got a package in from Gamestop. You know, couldn't really go to the store, so I ordered this online during last week during the 20% off the collectibles, I believe. So with that being said, that was weak. So with that being said, we're gonna jump straight into the box. Hopefully nothing's damaged, because if that is the case,
somebody's going to die tonight.
now jumping straight into the box. Like I said, hopefully nothing is damaged. It's a pretty decent sized box. I don't even know where to cut, to be real with you.
Stupid.
I think I got it. Okay. God, what the Jeez Louise, like, dude. All right. We did it. So we got Funkos and sorter boxes. Feel me? Got 2 of them. They don't everything.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Everything seems to be perfect. We got the Minions Rise of Gru mystery minis. I should have bought more. Literally paid like $4 for this. And we have Kung Fu Kevin on the keychain, which is pretty dope. Really hyped to see the movie. Funny story, just watched Despicable Me on Netflix. You know, this ain't no plug or nothing.
Boring.
But for the first time, I was like, yo, this is fire. And then once I seen that they had the new wave of Minions pops coming out, you already know the boy was on it. So with that being said, let's jump into the minis first.
Remember me, motherfucker?
So cutting this bad boy open, like I said, since everything was like 20% off, the minis were literally, oh, my fault. Let me show y'all the back. Here is everybody in the set. It'll be really dope if I can get Kung Fu Kevin as the mystery mini. Like, that might be my favorite minion so far. I know there's Bob, Stewart. I know there's like 3 main ones, but you know, as of right now, we only worried about Kevin, you feel me? And we got, that's pretty dope. I don't know who this is, but here he is with the Kung Fu outfit on. It's pretty dope. Hold on. There we go. Not too bad. Like I said, we got the keychain. I'm not gonna open that up because, you know, yeah, don't want to rip nothing. So time to jump into these pops. Now jumping into these sorters. I believe, I don't know which one is which. All right, perfect. We have the Kung Fu Kevin Funko Pop. This is straight fire. Here he is on the side. Everybody in the set, definitely worth collecting in my opinion. And the movie is supposed to come out in the summertime. So yeah, this is actually pretty dope. I'm not gonna take this out because the box seems to be perfect and I don't want to damage anything, because everybody knows I have a hard time opening up like freaking boxes and stuff like that. But this is definitely going into a protector. And now for the next pop, goes along with my set that I am currently trying to complete, and it is the I almost said Hot Topic exclusive. But no, baby. Gamestop exclusive Hitoshi Shinzo from My Hero Academia. Here he is, right there. There he is on the side. Buddy got the lazy eyes, super sleepy. Everybody in the set. But I'm definitely pretty happy with yo, Buddy looks very sleep deprived, and this is another perfect box. Like, I got lucky on both of these. But I'm gonna leave the out of box images, I should say, of both of the pops like on the screen so y'all can actually see what they look like, as well as the keychain. But aside from that, you know, we got, you know, two different genres. We got anime and an animation, like, yeah. But I'm definitely happy to have these in the collection. Hopefully I can get more Minion Pops. Hopefully I can still collect my hero line. So with that being said, that wraps up another video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit notification bell to let you know when the next video drops. And as always, I am Manny Mobile Manny. Put your own spin on it, because at the end of the day, it's the same thing to me. And as always, we say, we out. Yee!